Hi there! Today we have Sony's newly launched SRS XP13 Bluetooth speaker. It's the successor of the extremely loved XP12. It retains most of the features like IP67 rating, mic for phone calls, but we get a lot more. Starting with the USB-C port to charge, which is now an industry standard to charge devices. Then we get Google Fast Pairing and even improved sound quality. Wow, now that's got me excited. So let's quickly unbox it and see it in action. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. The handle name is Mr. Tech Singh. Alright, let's straight jump into the unboxing. So here is the retail packaging of the Sony XP13s. You can see the image of the speaker right in the front. Towards the right, you can see the list of some of its features, extra bass being one of its prime features. If you look closely, waterproof, dustproof, long battery life up to 16 hours, USB-C charging speaker, multi-way strap, sound diffusion processor, hands-free function / voice assistant function and stereo pair. And moving further, you have some manufacturing details and the MRP, which is $4,999, but you can get this for $3,999 on Amazon. Alright, let's unbox it. So right on the top, you have a quick start guide and a reference guide. Then you have a 1-year warranty card. And of course, the speaker itself. We'll have a closer look at it in just a moment. And a standard Sony USB-C to USB charging cable. Alright, let's have a closer look at it. Wow, that looks amazing. The XP13 now comes with a UV coating finish that looks a lot better than the rubber-like finish on the XP12. Oh, I'm loving the feel in this hand. Also, it weighs just 253 grams. That makes it extremely portable. Thanks to the provided loop, you can actually hang it on your backpack for convenience. By the way, you can completely remove the loop if you don't need it. It comes with a 46mm top firing mono speaker and you can see the metal mesh design color coordinated on the top. At the bottom here are these gaps which basically are designed to enhance bass. Just above here are all the buttons, power, Bluetooth, pause play and volume. On the front here under this loop is the USB-C port to charge the speaker. There are also a couple of LED lights here. And that is it. Clean, functional design. Now before we move on to the demo, here are some features and specs. It supports Bluetooth 4.2 and can connect to smartphones, PCs, smart TVs and even laptops. Now with improved vocal clarity, it would be amazing for Zoom meetings and phone calls. The XP13 comes with IP67 rating, so protection from dust and water. It can be submerged in 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. However, I wouldn't suggest you do that, but yes, you can use it while taking a shower, dance in the rain, or even for pool parties. It's absolutely cool. Alright, before we pair the speaker, you should know that XP13 comes with fast pairing, which basically is a notification will automatically pop up on your Android phone requesting to connect when you turn on the speaker. However, on an iPhone, it would be like pairing any Bluetooth device. Standard procedure. Let's check it out on an Android phone. So first thing we're going to do is turn on the speaker. And once the speaker is turned on, we click on the Bluetooth button. And we wait. And there's a pop-up to connect the XP13s. You click on connect. Alright, that fast pairing process was super quick and convenient for Android users. You can also see the battery percentage in the Bluetooth section on your phone. The speakers support SBC and AAC codecs. Finally, it's time to play some music and see. You deserve better than me. Wow, that sounded amazing. I can't even say I'm surprised because that's what we expect with Sony. Now they get loud enough to fill a small room and makes for an ideal bedside speaker or even a work desk speaker where you can connect it to your phone or laptop, which you can use for making phone calls and even for listening to music. The audio fidelity and the vocal clarity for phone calls is really good when you see the size of the speaker. Rich, crisp and soothing. Sony hasn't mentioned the output anywhere, but my guess is it should be somewhere around 10 watts. Frankly, the output should never matter. A good 10-watt speaker will sound far better than a bad 20-watt speaker. So never let watts be a deciding factor for audio. Oh, by the way, you can get two of these and pair them to a same device and use them as stereo speakers, left channel and right channel. Wouldn't that be amazing? Wow. Time for a phone call demo.
हेलो मिस्टर टेक्सिंग।
हेलो अभिजीत, क्या हाल है?
एकदम बढ़िया।
आवाज़ कैसे आ रही है? आई एम यूजिंग द SRS XP13 Sony Bluetooth speaker to talk to you. How's the audio quality?
If you don't tell me, like, I won't recognize that you're talking from a speaker.
Really, na? It's that good.
Yeah, it's that good, and I'm personally using that one also.
Wow.
That speaker only. So I hope even my audio is good.
Oh, very clear and very rich, very clear and very nice quality.
Basically, the voice transmission reception is good on this.
Very good.
That's it.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah.
Chalo, catch you later, brother. See you later.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Take care. Bye.
So I used them for a regular phone call and keeping it about 2 feet away, and it did a very good job. The vocals were also clear to hear, and the other person actually never knew I was not using my phone. I also connected it to my laptop for video calls, and it had a great call quality experience. Just say goodbye to your bad earphones and just use this speaker. Also hands-free, really convenient. By the way, you can also trigger Siri or Google Assistant from your speaker when it's connected to your iPhone or Android phone. Comes very handy at times. Talking about battery, well, this little speaker comes with 16 hours of music playback, and it's so nice to see that Sony has moved to a USB-C port with the XP13. Great job. So to summarize, you know if you're buying a Sony, it's a worthy investment. Quality is their priority, and that's what exactly you get with the XP13. It's available in 4 colors: blue, pink, black and taupe. It's kind of a dark grey brown color. You can buy this from Amazon for $3,990. I'll leave the links for all the colors in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feedback or complaints, mention it down in the comments. All are welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.